Let's divide 496 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, it's me again from Let's Stud. If you're having a blast learning math, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any fun adventures. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with 496 divided by 2. First, we look at the digit 4. We're going to use the first digit, which is 4. That's our partial for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 equals 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0, easy peasy. You're doing amazing, we've got the first digit of our answer. Time to move to the next digit, let's bring down the 9. Next up we have the digit 9, our new partial is 9. We bring down the next digit 9 and join it with our remainder 0, so now we have 9. How many times does 2 go into 9? Think about your multiplication tables. That's right, it's 4 times, 2 times 4 is 8. Let's subtract 9 minus 8 leaves us with 1, we're on a roll. Woohoo, you're crushing it, just one more step to go. Let's bring down the last digit 6 to make our next partial. Last but not least, we bring down the 6, our new partial is 16. We combine our remainder 1 with the digit 6 we brought down, making 16. Wow. How many times does 2 fit into 16? Shout it out. You got it, it's 8 times, 2 times 8 equals 16. Time to subtract, 16 minus 16 equals 0, we did it. Fantastic work everyone, we've reached the end of our division journey. And that's it, we've successfully divided 496 by 2. Our answer is 248. We found that 496 divided by 2 is 248. Great job, math whizzes! We tackled 496 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become simple with practice and a little bit of courage. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos right here on Let's Stud. See you next time.